two-tail. Next headache, please listen. If alpha goes into two-tail, p-value must also go into two-tail. So therefore, how to use p-value to decide? Go to your normal distribution table. Please read the reading of 2.77, please. So if I use a p-value, I got to take 0.5 minus 0. Shaded area for 2.77 is 0.4972. Please check your normal distribution table, yes or no? So the small red shaded area should be 0.5 minus 0.4972 equal to 0.1. 0028. But you cannot use this as your p-value unless it is one tail. Is this one tail or two tail? Whenever two tail, you must take the answer that you discovered and multiply by what? 2. Why multiply by 2? Because the p-value also goes how many sides? In a two-tail, p-value also goes two sides. Alpha goes two sides, p-value also goes two sides. So 0.0028 times 2 is equal to 0.0056. Take 0.0056. This is your what value? P-value. Compare with alpha. Alpha is 0.01. If alpha is 0.01, p-value is 0.0056, which is larger? Don't look so long, wait for the eye. 0.01 larger or 0.005 larger? 0.01 larger or 0.005 larger? 0.1 is larger. 0.1 larger means alpha greater than p-value. Confirm. Confirm. Reject. HO is correct. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yes or no? Reject HO. Confirm. Perfectly confirmed. Then write this in terms of probability, please. Write this p-value in terms of probability, please. This p-value shows the probability of express your p-value in terms of probability. There are two ways. One is to use alpha, the other one is to put it in terms of probability, right? Probability of p-value refers to the probability of obtaining sample mean. This is a mean, right? Sample mean x bar less than, greater than, less than, greater than, less than, greater than, English, less than, greater than, cannot see anything then, choose one. Probability of obtaining sample mean x bar. Where did you fall? You fall on the right tail or left tail just now? Your answer fall on the right tail or left tail? Right, and you shaded the red or to the right or to the left? To the right. You shade both means the answer fall. Why you worry about decide? Decide, you fall, decide, right? You fall, you shade both sides because to tail. But you fall, decide or fall, decide? Right side. There's only one side in your life. You got two sides, two tail, got two sides, there's only one side, answer fall, this side or this side? This side is your red is shaded to the right or to the left. So, what is the thing? Greater than, what less than, less than? Area to the right, greater than, area to the left, less than. You fall here, you shaded that side. See the red. Come on, shade darker, I can see. See? Are you shading to the right or to the left? Right mean, for example, mean x bar greater than, less than. Greater than. How many? Greater than 20. Please be very sure. Don't look at my face. My face misleading. Please see. You decide looking there. Greater than 20. 28.1 or 25? 28.1 or 28.25? Oh, why 25? I got 25 here also got. And 28.1 also have. Which one you want? 25 or 28.1? 28.1. Sure. 100% sure. Your face don't look very sure. What can I do? 25 or 28.1? 25 fall where? 25 fall where? Center. So are you reading center or area decide? Decide. So 28.1 falls here. Correct? 28.1. Greater than 28.1 in the sampling distribution. Please, when you do something like this, please be very sure you cannot go half-hearted into the exam and do all kind of different things, which you have been doing very well in your first test. Very scared now. Why? After looking at some of the answers, my God, am I teaching the right class or not? I wonder. Okay? Quite a number of failures, please. Very sad. For that test you failed. This test, I don't know what to say further. Then come to 9.3, please. Look at 9.3, next one. Please look at 9.3. Use the data given to test the following hypothesis. HO mu equal 1002. H1 mu greater than 1002, x bar 1215, n is 113, sigma 100, alpha 0.1. Use p-value to obtain the results. Use p-value to obtain the results. Solve for the critical value required to reject or required to reject the mean. Is it? Okay, so first problem 9.3. HO is mu 1002. H1 mu greater than 1002. One tail, two tail, one tail, upper tail, lower tail, upper, lower. See which one to decide. See which one to decide. HO or H1. Upper, lower tail, C, HO or H1. H1 gives you greater than is which tail? Upper tail. Then after that, step 2, this is a how many tail test? One tail test, alpha 0.1, Z for 0.1, Z for 0.1, one tail, Z for 0.1, use your table, 1 point, Z for alpha 0.1, 1.28. The table mastered already, nothing to worry about the table now, I hope. 3, work out your what? Z must take x bar 1215 minus mu. Mu how much? Mu 1002 divide by sigma 100 over square root 113 will give you 1.59. This is a 1.59. Z is a 1.59. Once you catch a 1.59, go to number 4. Go to number 4. You go to number 4, this is the center. Then you notice it's 1.28, you're testing on the upper tail, is it? Is it? Your answer is 1.59. 1.59 fall into which region? Shaded region, 1.59. If this is a 1.59, this is your shaded region, right? Therefore, 1.59 is inside the shaded area, reject HO. But the question asks you to do this through a what value? P value. To reach P value, you must count the days. Without this, you cannot do P value, right? What do you need for a P value? You need the critical value and you need the computed Z, right? Without the computed Z and the critical value, you cannot do P value. Please remember this. We need the 1.59 and we need the 1.28 to decide what value? P value. So once you reach this point, you know that P value can be done easily. And this is a one tail or a two tail. One tail. So if it is two tail, P value you multiply 2. If it is one tail, P value very simple. Go and do the reading of 1.59. If you do the reading of 1.59, you want the tail area, you must take 0.5 plus or minus minus 0.4441. Is it? If it is 0.4441, this will become 0.0559. Agree? 0.0559 P value. Compare with alpha. Alpha we chose 0.10. Is it? 0.0559, alpha 0.1. Which is greater? Alpha is greater. If alpha is greater, we should alpha greater than P value, we should reject HO, confirm correctly. Therefore, if you reject HO, interpret the P value in this case, please. P value of 0.0559 refers to the P value of 0.0559 refers to the probability. This is a probability, yes or no? The 0.0559 is a probability. What probability is it? Interpret. Is the probability of obtaining. This is the probability of obtaining sample mean X bar. Sample mean X bar. Sample mean X bar. Greater or lesser? Greater. Area to the right. Area to the right is greater than 1, 2. 1, 2 is correct. Next one. 0, 0, 1, 5. 1, 5. Excellent. Understand? Understand? Sure? Sure? After we take a break, nothing will change? Very sure? Very scared to give a break because after break things may change suddenly. Very sure? Sure things will be the same after the break? Sure? They can come back faster? Go.